You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this French brand porcelain maker. French pronunciation. If you want to learn more luxury brand names, absolutely stay tuned to the channel. We got loads here. Bernardaud is how it's said in French in France. Bernardaud. The D at the end is silent. Bernardaud. So in English pronunciation you can say it as Bernardaud. Bernardaud. From French, Bernardaud. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.